After her eviction from Bigg Boss 19, Malti Chahar has finally spoken out about the ongoing buzz around her relationship with co-contestant Amal Malik. Though the two knew each other before entering the show and had met several times outside, Malti says Amal repeatedly denied their past interactions inside the house, a move that left her shocked, demeaned, and disrespected. In an interview, Malti explained how things escalated. She said, "First of all, I had no idea Amal was doing all this because he used to be nice to me on my face, so how would I know that he's doing all this behind my back?" When Shehbaz Badesha came and told me that Amal said we met only for a few minutes, I got really angry. I couldn't believe Amal is going and saying all this. Malti revealed that she confronted Amal, but he insisted their meetings were brief. When I confronted Amal, he said we had met at someone's party for only 2 minutes. This isn't true. We had decided before going inside that we would maintain that we had just met once because we didn't want people to link us up. So we didn't want to tell everyone how much we had met and all. We were cordial about that. But I never said that we've met for only 5 minutes. Shehbaz made it look like I am a fangirl of Amal, so that's what made me angry. Then I told Amal that it would take me just 2 minutes to prove you wrong, so don't set false narratives, but he still looked into my eyes and lied. I still don't have any idea why Amal kept lying about us. In fact, we were also called to the confession room, and we were advised to sort it out. Then I explained to Amal that he shouldn't do this because this is showing me in the wrong light and he's demeaning me. Malti also spoke about Amal's reaction when she mentioned he once texted her calling her gorgeous. She said, "I couldn't understand why he got so scared when I said that he called me gorgeous. How is that a bad thing? In fact, even inside the house, he once called me beautiful, so for me it was very normal. How is calling someone gorgeous wrong? It's a compliment." I had no idea he would feel so bad if I revealed this on the show. Before exiting the house, I gave it back to Amal, but it wasn't shown. I shouted at him. Addressing rumors about being Amal's secret girlfriend, Malti clarified, "Firstly, please go and ask Amal if he even has a girlfriend. I used to feel he's lying, but why should I question his narrative? I met him 3 months back, but I didn't think he had a girlfriend, nor did he tell me. And I don't even think he has said he has a girlfriend, he just says he likes a girl and it's one-sided. When I used to talk to him before Bigg Boss, I had no idea about this. When I went inside, I didn't question it because he was so scared of me questioning him about anything. Let him do whatever he wants to do inside the house." Malti Chahar made it clear she stood up for herself, refusing to be misrepresented or demeaned, and setting the record straight about her time in the Bigg Boss house.